Hello students, now we are discussing about nested loops in C. What do you mean by nested loop? Nested loop means one loop will be present inside another loop. There may be more than one loops are present in a loop. Okay, so loop within a loop is known as nested loop. There are different types of nested loop, like in a for loop we can include while loop, then do while loop, like that. Then in a while loop then we can include while loop, or in within that while loop we can include for loop, like that. So they are known as nested loops. We have discussed nested for loop in the previous class. Now we have to discuss about nested while group and also nested do while group. Do while loop. Okay. Nested while loop. The nested while loop means any type of loop which is defined inside the while loop. Okay, inside while loop we are defining some other loops, that is known as nested while loop. Nested while loop means what? Within a while loop we are defining other loops. So this is an example for nested while loop, or this is the syntax used for nested while loop. While condition, inside that while condition, then inner loop statements. So it contains inner loop and also outer loop statements. So within a while statement it contains different types of loops. Maybe it may be while loop or any other loops. Okay, so that is nested while loop. So we can see an example for nested while loop. Here we are going to print like this. Okay, this is we have to print. What is that? 1 2 3 4 5 in 5 rows we have to print. So what we have to get? We have to start from here, then we have to reach here. So we have to start from first row, then we have to enter 5 columns for each row. So what happens? So we are starting as int a equal to 1, b equal to 1. We are starting row and column is equal to 1. Okay, then we are checking while a less than or equal to 5. Okay, while a less than or equal to 5, that is the number of row is less than or equal to 5. Then we are putting b equal to 1. So at first time a is equal to 1, that means first row, and b equal to 1. Inside that it will set b equal to 1, that is in first row first column. So that will be the first value. So we have to print 5 values in first row. Okay, so first b initialized to 1, then we had to check whether b less than or equal to 5, then we are including it in while loop, then print f %d b. Then we are incrementing b, then b equal to 2, then again print b, then 3, 4, 5. Okay, then when it is 6, then get out of the loop, then print /n, that is go to next line. Okay, then a incremented. So what is the value of a now? A equal to 2. Then again condition will be checked. So a less than or equal to 5. So here 2 less than or equal to 5. Then again b equal to 1. So in the second row, first element we had to print. So like this. Then b is 1. In the second row, print 1. Then b incremented. Then in second row, print 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, after that print next line. Then a plus plus. Next go to third row. And continue like until it go to fifth row. Okay, so that is an example for nested while loop. So in while loop, if we if we define multiple loops within while loop, that is known as nested while loop. Okay, so here this program will return the output like this. Okay, so this is an example for nested while loop. And next we can see nested do while loop. What is nested do while loop? That means any type of loops which is defined inside the do while loop. That is, in the case of nested loops, we are defining multiple loops within a loop. So that is nested loops. So in the case of do while loop, what happens inside do while loop? It contains another loop. So that is nested do while loop. So here we can see an example, do, then it contain, this is the inner loop, and this is outer loop. So it contain inner loop and outer loop. So we can see how it works or with an example. So this is an example to print the pattern star 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 star. Okay. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 stars are there. We have to print it in 4 rows. Okay. So what is the program? So here we have to print the pattern like this. So it contains 8 stars in 4 rows. So as in the previous example, we can do here like that. So what happens? We have to initialize first I equal to 1. So here first initialize I equal to 1, that is first row. Okay, row initialize to 1. Then in do statement we have to give j equal to 1. So in the first row the first value. So in order to print the first value we are putting j is equal to 1. Then do printf star. So first it will print star. Then check increment j. So j is equal to 2 now. Then check whether j less than or equal to 8. Then if the condition is true, then it will go here. Then again print star. Then j incremented j3. Then compare with 8. Then if it is true, then again print. Like that it continue until j becomes 8 and then j becomes 9. So it will go out of that loop. Then print /n, that is 2. Next line will be printed. Then I plus plus, that is it incremented, the row incremented. So it go to next line, and in order to print the first star in the second row, I incremented. Then again check whether I less than or equal to 4. Okay. So that is happening in the case of printing this pattern. So this is the use of do while loop, do while nested loop. So here you can see this is the output. It will print like this. So this is an example for nested do while. So we can see how it's work. First we initialize the outer counter variable, that is I by 1. As we know that do while loop executes once without checking the condition. So the inner loop is executed without checking the condition in the outer loop. After the execution of inner loop, the control moves to the update of I plus plus. When the loop counter value is incremented, the condition is checked. If the condition in the outer loop is true, then the inner loop is executed. This process will continue until the condition in the outer loop is false. Okay, so this is the procedure behind this working of do while loop. So we have discussed the nested loops. Nested loops means loops within loop. Okay, loops inside loop. There are different types of nested loop. That means maybe any type of loops within a loop can be erased. We have discussed different types of nested loop like nested for loop, nested while loop, nested do while loop. We have seen different examples for that. So what happens in the nested loop? First we have to check the condition, and based on the condition of outer loop, it will enter into the inner loop and execute the inner loop statements. After that, it will exit from inner loop and continue outer loop, like that. Okay, until the condition in the outer loop is false. That is happening in the case of nested loop. So we have discussed about loop statements in the previous classes. Loop statements are entry controlled and exit controlled loop. Entry controlled loops are what? While and for. We have discussed that. Then exit controlled loop example was do while loop. Then we have discussed the syntax, then flowchart diagram, then an example and how to work with that. All that we have explained, and we have worked with examples for them. and we have discussed the nested loops. Then different features of for loop we have discussed. Then now we have discussed about nested loops. Nested loops are different types: nested for loop, nested while loop, nested do while loop. We have discussed what are the syntaxes for that and examples for that, and how we can work with that nested loops, that we have discussed in the class. I think all of you got these topics. So that's all. Thank you.